What I have here is a 5R55SW transmission. It can be an N2, a 5R55N that have the same problems. But I wanted to show you something on this case. It's been a while since I've been on putting up videos because I've been very busy. But I want you to see an actual problem here. These transmissions, they normally have pressure codes, pressure solenoid B or something like that, and the reason why that happens a lot of times is the servo pins that's inside here wears out the case bore, and I wanted you to see one that is actually quite worn. What I'm going to do, down in, there's a hole right here, I'm going to shoot some air in here, and then I'm going to allow you to see the pin. Let's see, where are you? We need a light. Alright, the servo pin, where is it? Where is it? There you go. It's right here. Okay? So I want you to see what happens when I put air into that right there. Is that the right one? Yeah. There's two of them, but I'm going to put some air in there and you'll get a chance to see what this does. Let's see here. Can we see that? See all that air, see all that oil coming out there? You can even hear it coming through there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some oil there and let you see. Put some oil right there. I'm going to put some down in that hole where you can see it blow out. You can hear the noise. Let's see. You should be able to see this. See all that oil came out? That is what's happening. And you will see there is a large gap. Where is my needle? There's a large gap right around here. Okay? And what that does, that applies the overdrive band, which is this piece here. Ooh, where are you? This band here. It applies this band. So with that large pressure leak, it cannot apply the band tightly enough because it's losing pressure in order to apply the band. So what you have to do, you have to either buy a case that has been resealed or that has been re-sleeved with bushings, or you have to re-sleeve it yourself. However, I still wanted you to see. Want you to see one that is actually defective. Now what that means is the whole transmission has to come out. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It have to come out, and you have to put all of your gear train inside the transmission, or I mean all your gear train parts inside of a different case, or you have to re-sleeve that old case and then reassemble it again. Might as well rebuild it at that point, because if it's worn out, the parts are probably no good either. So this is a 5R55S W, an explanation or an example of a worn case.